okay, FL Studios is open. I'm about to give you what you need to, know what I mean, get going ASAP. So boom, let me show you around. This mixer, you want to put the, know what I mean, you want to put everything in their own little channel. So you could get the mixing, bow 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 bow, bow bow bow, like that. All right, boom. This over here, this is where you arrange everything. After you, know what I mean? Boom. Split by channel, you heard? Split by channel, you heard? After you set it up here, after you got your beat going on here, you split by channel, you heard? Yeah, people do it different though, but that's how I do it. So, for example, damn. I was wilding for a minute. I'm back now. I was wilding. About to die. It's about to be crazy. Anyways, so let's get back to it. So let's just make a basic beat. Let's start with a basic beat. Kick, snare, know what I mean? Open hat, closed hat, you know. Alright, boom, and we got a perk. Let's get it. So most trap beats, 100 to 140. You do them on double time, or some people do them on not double time. I forgot what that's called. So double time would be basically anything 100 up. Anything below wouldn't be it. So example, this is double time. You know what I mean? Because it's faster. And this is not double time. I want to say single time, but I don't want to sound stupid. You heard? I don't want to sound stupid. You know what I mean? This is more like old school hip hop. But we going back to double time. No, 130. We at 130 with it. So let's work on our basic beat. So, you know what I mean? Yeah. Okay. Then you want to add the kick. You know what I mean? Then you don't forget the cut. So the sounds will bleed into each other, interrupt each other. See? That's how you make a basic beat on FL Studios. Now, when it comes to melodies, right? So, let me show you a trick with melodies. I'm gonna go ahead and use Omnisphere. I got the regular one. Don't try to come for me. Don't try to come for me. I got the regular one. Nah. So let's just go with let's go with the first decent sound. So here's a cool trick with FL Studios. If you do not know how to play the keyboard, and most of us don't, I'm gonna keep it a buck with you. Most of us don't. This is what you could do. Bang. Choose the key. Choose the scale, and then you can use your keyboard and just bust it down like you need to. We doing it G. See? Right now I'm on some XCV. XCV. You know what I mean? And another way to do it, if you scale challenge like me, you heard me. So for Mac, you want to hold control, and you could just, know what I mean, cycle through 'em. And you see how everything changes. Yep. So anything you put in this is gonna line up. Now look, look, look. See? See how that line up? We lit, we lit. So I can hit it with some shit like bow. See? See? Yeah. 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 I mean, go crazy. Do what you want. That's a simple beat. So, how to get this beat from here to here? What you want to do is pull that back up, go over here, split by channel, hold shift, click, drag over, boom. Mind you, I just learned how to do this. We lit. See? And this how you arrange it. I mean, see? Quick, easy. Easy. 1, 2. You could even. Know what I mean? Straight like that.